This weather report brought to you by Twomey Schriber Property Group.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The countdown begins to the final weekend of autumn, potentially the first truly sunny weekend the state has seen in months. Many places have received fewer than half their normal sunshine hours this season, but clouds have started parting in the north and rain should hopefully clear the southeast by Friday night. Today's top temperature at Cairns Airport was 29 degrees after a low this morning of 21. Mariba got to 28 this time and Cooktown 28 as well. On the satellite loop, we're starting to see emerging of the middle cloud coming from the upper trough through the west, with the coastal cloud coming from the driving southeast winds we've experienced over several days into one big cloud mass. It's started to tilt southwards, and you can see it's mostly Capricornia southwards that's being affected by cloud now. The tropics are almost clear, or certainly getting close to it. Let's have a look at today's chart. On the surface, we've got that slow moving high, southeast winds persisting, little trough offshore. It's been there for days and days, and that's helping to compress the isobars, increase the swell and the moisture that's reaching the coast that's feeding the rain band. Tomorrow's chart. High moves a little bit further east. Notice the trough starting to come a bit south. The upper level trough will tilt in concert with that trough and move the weather southwards as well. So we'll be clearing through most of the tropics, but storms everywhere else. That's the last big one before the clearance. On the outlook chart, we see the clearance now. All the weather now moves into the southeast corner where the low moves, and by Saturday, hopefully it will all be offshore. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, southeast winds between 10 and 20 knots tomorrow, 15 to 20 knots on Friday from the south-southeast, and then dropping back to 10 to 15 for Saturday. We start the day with an early morning high tide tomorrow, not a particularly large tide with the last quarter moon only recently gone, but slowly growing each day. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, another partly cloudy day, just a slight chance of a shower. Cairns 28 degrees, 25 for Atherton, Innisfail and Mariba 27. Looking ahead for Cairns, the rain's effectively over for us already, so for the next 7 days we can enjoy essentially sunny conditions with only scattered cloud and comfortable temperatures. For Atherton, also generally comfortable conditions, around 25 by day, warming up a bit on Monday and Tuesday, but cooler nights. Well, that's me for this evening, folks. Get yourself a bottle of bubbles, and if the sun comes out simultaneously for all of us this weekend, let's toast to the autumn that never came. Catch you soon. Back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having your company, folks. See you tomorrow night. And also a reminder, if you'd like to watch a replay, you can on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night. Good night.